Today's discussion focuses on KDP, a topic of great interest for aspiring authors and self-publishers. Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is Amazon's self-publishing platform that has revolutionized the way authors bring their works to market. With over 1 million authors utilizing this platform, it's crucial to understand the strategies that can lead to success. Many hidden techniques can enhance visibility and sales on KDP, and today, we will uncover these secrets. One major challenge authors face is market saturation. With millions of books available, standing out can feel nearly impossible. Many authors pour their hearts into their work, only to feel as if their book is lost in the vast ocean of content. This sense of invisibility can be discouraging. Discoverability is another significant hurdle. Even with a fantastic book, if it remains unnoticed, sales will be non-existent. Authors must ask themselves, how can they effectively present their work to the right audience? These challenges are common among KDP users in 2024, but they can overcome it with the right approach. Many authors fall into the trap of believing that KDP operates as a zero-sum game, where one author's success necessitates another's failure. This notion is entirely false. In reality, there is ample room for all authors on KDP. The presence of more high-quality books attracts more readers to the platform. Furthermore, another misconception is that one must be a marketing expert to succeed on KDP. The truth is, authors do not need extensive marketing knowledge to effectively promote their books. They simply need to grasp the right strategies and techniques that can make a difference. So, what are some of these effective strategies? One critical aspect is keyword optimization. This involves selecting the right keywords for a book so that it appears at the top of search results when potential readers are searching for books in that genre. While this requires research and testing, it is not as complicated as it may seem. Another essential strategy is implementing effective marketing tactics. This could include running targeted ads on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, as well as reaching out to book bloggers and reviewers who cater to the same audience. Finding the right marketing methods is key to gaining visibility. One particularly powerful strategy is the use of Amazon ads. If authors are not leveraging this tool, they are missing out on a significant opportunity to boost their book's visibility. Amazon ads allow authors to target specific keywords and demographics, ensuring that their book reaches the most likely buyers. The best part? Authors can start with a minimal budget and scale up as their book gains traction. This flexibility makes Amazon ads an invaluable resource for authors at any stage of their publishing journey. In addition to advertising, establishing a robust author platform is essential. This could be a personal website, a blog, or a social media presence that engages with readers. Building an email list can also be beneficial, allowing authors to communicate directly with their audience and keep them informed about new releases and promotions. Success on KDP hinges on the willingness to adapt and pivot when necessary. Many authors fall into a routine, repeating ineffective actions that do not yield results. The most successful authors are those who embrace change and are willing to experiment with different strategies. This adaptability can involve tweaking book descriptions, adjusting pricing, or exploring new marketing channels based on feedback and performance metrics. The groundbreaking secret is this: KDP is not merely about selling books, it's about building a sustainable business. Viewing writing as a business leads to better long-term decisions. Authors should consider important factors such as copywriting, trademarks, and potentially hiring a team for editing, cover design, and marketing. Investing in these areas can significantly enhance the quality of the final product and increase its chances of success in a competitive marketplace. As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways. First, KDP is not a zero-sum game. There is room for everyone. Second, marketing expertise is not a requirement for success. Understanding the right strategies is crucial. Third, specific tactics such as keyword optimization and effective advertising can significantly increase visibility and sales. In conclusion, authors should remain adaptable and view their writing as a business. As of 2024, over 1 million authors published through KDP, and KDP accounts for approximately 25% of all ebook sales on Amazon. The self-publishing industry is projected to grow by 20% annually, making now the perfect time to dive into this exciting world. By implementing these strategies and embracing change, authors can unlock their potential and achieve success on KDP. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.